Nung nakilala kita, I have given up in love, but God has different plans. He sent you to me in unexpected time.
Wanna go dancing, dancing around the cage.
I was like ready to be single for life, actually. So I'm not expecting any, to find any love siguro.
Just me and you, like nobody's watching.
I was really just praying, if you'll give me someone, Lord, just like give me the person who will make me happy.
We could be anything we dream. Make whatever.
Nag-pray din ako na sana ibigay yung para sa akin. Yung babaeng, eto na talaga.
I've been waiting my whole life for you. I would wait 1,000.
I didn't expect na I'll get married in that 2 years because I was really ready to be single.
Eto na yun. Kakasal na tayo. Buti nakahabol ka pa. Joke
Well,
lang.
I need you to come home soon, 'cause I miss
We
you.
met in Dubai. That's 2 years ago. We met through the restaurant. So, yun, medyo makulit lang
And
kami.
I know I should be home.
Ako kasi yung supervisor doon. So, chinika-chika ko hanggang sa kinuha ko yung number niya. Binigay naman agad. Agad-agad.
My mind tonight. Is that alright? Seasons change for good reason, babe.
He's just a happy-go-lucky guy, actually. Pero, you know that he's really genuine. Pag nag-throw siya ng joke, alam mong talagang from the heart, kahit na minsan bully siya.
Time in the world, summer came to keep spring.
Dahil masarap ako magluto, kita nyo naman. Siyang, dahil masarap magluto. At saka masarap magmahal, siyempre.
Goes away, and I'm not saying that I've done the same.
Sana bawasan mo yung pagiging makulit. Naubos yung energy ko.
On their way, seasons change.
Nung nakilala ko siya, parang pag nakikita ko yung ibang babae, wala eh. As in, siya na lang yung mas maganda sa paningin ko. Hindi na ako tumitingin sa iba.
Go make a list of things, and I'll be the pen and paper. We got all the time in the world, and don't you wanna live with the same hope?
Lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo na ikaw lang, ramdam mo naman yan, di ba? Saka, I love you.
And if we say so, when we say so, seasons change for good.
Who would thought that the love of my life in Dubai? I hope when times get tough, you will always stand by my side, and let's always face it together.
Salamat dahil itinuro mo sa akin na ang malalim na kahulugan ng pagmamahal ay nanggagaling sa taong may mabuting hangarin. Yung pagmamahal na alam kong inantay mo din na mahabang panahon.
Ibig sabihin, simula sa araw na ito, ay kayong dalawa ay pag-iisahin ng Diyos dahil sa inyong mga pangako sa isa't isa.
Nicole, baby, salamat dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko. Kasi hindi ko naman expect pero ikaw yung binigay ni Lord.
Salamat dahil dumating ka sa panahong kailangan ko ng karamay. Salamat dahil hindi ko pinilit yung panahong hanapin ka, pero kusa kang dumating. Pinagtagpo tayo dahil tayo ay tinadhana. I love you.
Ang pinag-isa ng Diyos, huwag paghihiwalayin ng sino mang tao.